This is a very quick demo in Dynamics 365 Business Central to show you how you can use the Edit in Excel function in Business Central to easily fix data in your system. So I was in the process of posting this assembly order, and I got this error message. So what the message says is that in the inventory posting setup, there's a line missing for this combination of the main location and the product group finished. So let's go take a look at that and see if we can fix that. So I'm going to do a quick search and look up inventory posting setup. Let's click on that. And again, what I was looking for was a combination of the location main and the posting group finished. You can see I've got a couple here on main, but that's not really the one I want. And actually I don't have one, so I need to add one. So let's add one here. The location code is main. The posting group is finished. And I've got a description here. Let's go back. And what I want to do is I want to use these codes right here from this other finished group. So what I could do is I could just go through here and I could just copy, manually input them. But I can see that I'm missing a few, so let's not do that. What I want to do then is I'm going to edit this in Excel by going to the page and edit in Excel. And here's the Excel spreadsheet. And I've got a little add-in here that allows me to then, when I'm done with this, I can publish it back into Business Central. And really what I'm interested in is the finished good items. So I'm going to go to finished goods here and just sort on that. And here's the posting group I'm trying to fill out. And I notice the one right above it has exactly the accounts that I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy these all the way over. Then I'll paste them down in this row here. And that's it. I've got the items I want for this posting code and the combination with the location code. And then I'm just going to publish it. I'll click on Publish. And now I can see that the posting setup I created has been filled in with all the account numbers that I'm going to need for this posting group. And that's it. That's how easy it is to take data out of Business Central, manipulate it in Excel, and then publish it back in.